size out. The chop size out. What are we doing, Marissa?
Making planter frames.
Yay!
So I'm going to be building a basic frame, putting some legs on it.
What do you mean you're the only person building? You're not just the only one.
I'm cutting the boards.
What do you mean? I cut the boards.
No. I cut the boards.
I cut the boards.
Sometimes.
When you let me.
Yes, exactly. But I really like doing the chop saw. The thing is pruning. I like cutting things. I don't know why. I just want to be out and I want to cut the trees. We're building a planter frame today. So basic square, putting some legs onto it, and then I think we're doing about 4 across for our planters. And it's just to kind of keep our deck tidy so we can walk around and move around a little bit more. And to make it higher so it's easier for watering and things like that, and harvesting.
Yes.
The chop saw is out.
It is. Woo! Look at that beauty. Let's get started. So basically, we're gonna put together a ladder. It'll be a 2-tiered shelving frame. Kind of got a plan, but we're gonna kind of build it as we go. So we just started with 2 60-inch boards, and we're just gonna make our frame with some 12-inch boards.
So we finished the ladder portions where our planters are gonna go. So why don't I show you what that looks like. So planter will fit like so, like a glove, into each one of these holes. So we're gonna have 8 in total on 2 different risers. So the next part is gonna be adding the feet, and then we're kind of ready.
So we got it all done today. We probably shouldn't have put the pots in it because the stain is still a little tacky, but I'm an impatient person.
But we are done and it looks good.
Yeah.
8 pots in there and then some in the front, as you can see.
So it's given us some more space, you know, as you kind of look around. There's the salad tower with it. We are planning to grow way more herbs, and we really want to go over in abundance with the cilantro and the parsley, because Marissa makes shata, which is absolutely delicious and great for charcuterie. Well, it's great for everything, but great because summertime is charcuterie. Anyway, we're very pleased with our project, first project of the year.
And we used cold wood for the entire thing.
Yes.
So it kept the cost low, and it was only 7 2x4x8s.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cold 2x4s.
3 for $7.
Yes.
Massive savings. I think we saved over $55, $56
yeah.
in buying the cold wood. It was a little bit of a struggle because there's some bowing and things like that, but we've learned to kind of like press on through and kind of reconfigure boards. So that's why everything looks pretty straight and even.
Right. Anyway, thanks for coming along for this journey with us. I hope you have a great day.